Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Alejandro Espaillat. I am an eye physician and surgeon, board certified laser surgeon, and board certified in aesthetic medicine. I'd like to invite you to our upcoming meeting and cadaver course for the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine, where we're going to be teaching the latest techniques on aesthetic medicine, including dermal filler injections, neurotoxin injections, and the exact anatomy and possible complications that you may encounter during these procedures. I look forward to meeting you all and enjoying this amazing teaching day.